Well, grace and peace to you all, and good evening. So far, 6 bishops have scored at 0% in the polls on the virtual elections. You have Bishop Brandon Porter, Bishop Don Shelby from Michigan, Bishop Prince Bryant, Bishop Jerry Maynard, Bishop Frank A. White, and Bishop Michael Hill. So who do you think would be the next presiding bishop of the Church of God in Christ? As you can see, the current bishop, Bishop J. Drew Sheard, came in 3rd place with 15% of the votes. Bishop Patrick Wooden, 4% of the votes. Darrell Hines, 4%. J.W. Macklin, 13%. Sheard, 15%. Linwood Dillard, 26%, and Elijah Hankerson, 39%. A lot of controversy around Bishop Patrick Wooden and his take or support, apparent support for the Republican Party, which I definitely, we love you, but I definitely have a problem with your stance or your apparent support of of Donald Trump. And how can you support Donald Trump, a known racist? I don't agree with everything that Democrats do, but you best believe the color of our skin and the status of our people, it will become a nightmare if Trump comes in office. I don't understand his support. Darrell Hines and Jerry Wayne Macklin fell in the 5th and 4th position. I think Darrell Hines' mistake was when he went against Valerie Carter and did not honor his friend's wishes. And Valerie Daniels Carter had to leave his jurisdiction and go somewhere else. I don't think Jerry Macklin really wants to be presiding bishop. I think he's going to stand aside. Sheard made a mistake when he made his brother presiding bishop of the, I think it's the Southwest Michigan 3rd District. That was a mistake, or it wasn't viewed very well by the public. And then I don't care what you say, his family, sometimes the way they act and dress, that doesn't help. And then they're renting out office space at Mason Temple, really? So at the top 2 positions, we have Linwood Dillard and Elijah Hankerson. Some people think that it falls to sympathy votes for Elijah Hankerson. Some people think Linwood Diller would be a better choice. Um, Linwood Diller is definitely the better preacher when it comes to preaching. So, who do you think, again, will be the presiding bishop of the churches of God in Christ? This is the church of my family and of my ancestors on my father's side, all the way back to my great grandmother, to my grandparents, to my parents, and to myself. On my mother's side, all the way back to my grandmother. Church of God in Christ is dear to my heart, and I hope it get back on track.